So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of January. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. I'm doing it from a very long time. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or you can mail us if you guys have any queries on the modern sannyasini at gmail.com. The previous mail is not working anymore. So let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Four of Swords. So someone is feeling detached in the situation, and or they're feeling that you are not that much interested in the situation as you used to be. Your detachment is kind of making somebody feel left out in the cold maybe. Let's clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. So either there are multiple energies involved in the situation, or this person's energies are shifting. One day they are very practical, then they are very logical. They are very practical, very logical. Then they feel like, okay, let's settle it down, let's be mature about it. Then they feel love towards you. So it's kind of a situation where this person's energies are going up and down, and they feel like they should stabilize their energies the way you have stabilized it. Okay, so because of your detachment, because they were on and off, in and out, they were doing something totally different than what you were anticipating to do from them. Sorry. So now this person is feeling like they have to stabilize their own energies as well. If there is a battle between two people, two energies, they feel like taking a break and understanding what they can do about it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Judgment. So from your side, you feel like releasing, forgiving and forgetting and moving ahead in your life, because you are done with these games of on and off, in and out. Let's clarify the judgment here. We have the Hanged Man, the Chariot, and the Knight of Wands. Yeah, you feel like before doing anything stupid in this direction anymore, you should take a step back and you should understand each and everything from a different perspective, from a different angle, and you should definitely move on from this on and off, in and out kind of unstable kind of energies. Right? Yeah. So you are in this energy of releasing, purging, releasing and letting go, releasing and letting go, because you feel like it's not working out for you anymore. This on and off, in and out, and just passionate kind of energies are not working out for you anymore. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Two of Swords. Their intention is to clear the air with you. Their intention is to get out of this closed off or blocked kind of energies within this dynamic. They want to see the clear picture of the future between you and them. Let's clarify the Two of Swords here. We have the Three of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. There's definitely other person's energy also involved in the situation. They want to make the right choice. They want to choose the right person, right energy. But maybe it's a like kind of a competition between you and somebody else, and or they want you to choose them if you have somebody else also in your life. But they want the clarity. They want the truth, whether you are the one for them or not, whatever the case may be. Because they're feeling highly imbalanced like this. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Two of Wands. You just want to wait and watch. You just want to wait and watch from a distance. You want to see what can happen if you are going to distance yourself from a particular person or situation. At the same time, you want to keep an option maybe by your side, or you have another option too in your life. Another option may be not a romantic person. It could be another option of maybe moving to another city, or a career option or something like that. It's not always about romantic options or romantic things in life, right? Let's clarify the Two of Wands here. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, the World card. Yeah, you don't want to repeat the same cycle that happened in the past between you and a certain person or certain energies, maybe multiple experiences of failed relationship. You're waiting for the right kind of energy so that you can have that happily ever after stable relationship kind of a deal that you're yearning for. If not with this person, you are heading towards this energy of, okay, let's try it somewhere else, or let's try it with something else. But you want stability, definitely want stability, long term partnership, stable relationship, stable job, stable career, everything stable now. You don't want to play these games anymore, on and off, in and out, and just for fun kind of thing. You're done with that for life this time. Even if you are a very young Pisces, like 20, 22 years old, you got this at a very young age. You're getting this actually right now. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 19th of Jan, honey Pisces. Two of Pentacles. Okay, it's not going to be easy for you guys to choose it. On and off, in and out, confusing kind of energy. We are together, we are not. We are here, we are not. That kind of energy. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. We have the Queen of Wands, the King of Cups, the Sun card. Yeah, you guys are going to have Queen of Pentacles, King of Cups, the Sun. You guys are going to get a very, very clear cut answer regarding a relationship. But even if you are going to get the clarity and the clear cut answer about a connection, you guys are going to be on and off, in and out about this energy, about this connection. You are going to be like, okay, I know I have feelings for this person. I know this person, and I can have something in the coming future as well. But what next? Is it right for me? Is it something that I want to keep for the rest of my life? Is it something that I should just work on right now? Is it something that I should let go? A lot of questions, a lot of confusion, a lot of anxiety regarding the future direction of a situation where you are quite invested, and the other energy too. But where it is going, what's next, is the question here. That is kind of making you guys feel very confused and conflicted. Even if you're within your heart and soul, you know the answer. You also, the other person also, right? Guidance, Seven of Cups. So instead of being all confused about it, talk to your heart very, very honestly about what your heart is feeling for this particular person and situation, what your heart is telling you, what your intuition is telling you, what you should do next, and then like act accordingly. The more you are going to feel like, okay, better option, better person, better situation, maybe you are going to lose the one that's actually meant for you and good for you. Okay, don't be scared, but don't be scared, listen to your heart, but at the same time you should understand what is good for you and what is not good for you. This is your life, Pisces. You should decide. Nobody else have the right or the responsibility of taking care of your happiness and your choices. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.